my name is Karthika Avasthi, and I'm a third year law student pursuing my BLLB course from NMIM School of Law, Mumbai. Now, the reason being why I was actually inclinated towards law was very specific, that it's a very dynamic and a developing arena altogether. Where if you see particularly about law, the main play comes to the interpretation and the versatility of every law, and every statement, every statute has their own interpretation, own set of skills are required in every manner. So that was the whole thing which actually dragged me when I was in eighth grade. That at that point of time, I was very much clear that I want to pursue law. So that is how I ended up being into law school. Internships are something which are utmost important for a law student to get into. The first internship was basically an NGO which I did in Poland from ISEC. So that was pretty much basic of NGO work, more of a social work rather than a legal per se. Second internship was under a AOR, Advocate on Record, Supreme Court. There, what I witnessed was the assignments which I was getting were the assignments which I usually get in my law school days when I'm in law school. So it is like just making up a case summary, case laws, so hunting out that, nothing related to drafting anything whatsoever. So it was only restricted to what kind of case laws which are applicable, how the applicability of certain laws can be used in a particular or in a particular given situation. So that was how it was. And other than me, the peers who were actually working along with me, they were actually getting assignments which were related to drafting. First thing they had like drafting of, like, suppose the synopsis or special leave petition or transfer petition, and they were actually drafting something, whereas I was only given assignments which were towards only case laws. So yeah. But the main thing which you need to understand here in law school, basically, you won't be able to get the practical aspects of law. Like for instance, if a student goes to a law school, he will be knowing Indian Contract Act, but he won't understand the practicability or the practicality of any law whatsoever, like how indemnification works, how guarantee works. And that is where LawSikho is an asset, is an elixir for me. Because now the course which I did was in arbitration. And because of that, now I have a capability and a confidence as well to even draft a petition pertaining to any section, like take it from 9 and from section 9 to section 34. I can draft that too very well. Daily assignments, writing assignments. I got my articles published because of this set platform, and that is the whole thing, which is really interesting about. Now, when it comes to internship, I got an idea like how different laws can be applied and how you can read between the laws, between the case laws. The interpretation has been improved because of these courses. And other than that, I know from ground level to the last step how a petition is actually brought up into the court or the arbitral tribunal in any given situation. So that is how it is. Because in law school, what you learn is just about, okay, you know what, in drafting, you should know, you should draft very clearly, crisp matter, language should be good, and that's all. No one actually teaches. But in law school, what I witnessed was I was getting taught like what should be included, what is the procedure, how the notice of motion is brought into picture, and everything. So each and every paperwork, I had a hands-on experience on that while drafting my daily assignments. Trust me, it should now. It's high time to actually start giving out degrees rather than actually giving a certificate, because knowledge which I get and the applicability of practical knowledge is something which is very different. And law school, I've never witnessed it. Like even though I'm in third year, but I haven't witnessed like how drafting comes into picture. It's usually a third year, or it's usually a fourth year subject where you actually learn how pleadings are made, how petition are being drafted and stuff. Now, here we need to understand that when assignments come into picture, the assignments which are given by LawSikho are something which is actually different from the assignments which you usually get in your law school as well. Here they don't give you a situation which is waterproof. They give you a situation a para more to be more specific. It is more about setting out the parameters of a situation where you need to draft and analyze and imagine your own hypothetical situation and come up with a claim, the statement of claim, etc. And after that, only after that, when we dive into making our own situation, that is a point where we really understand that okay, if I consider this happening, then in my humble opinion, this section won't be in my favor. It will go in this his favor. So that is how I actually interpreted and applied laws while drafting each and every assignment. That was the whole thing when it comes to writing assignments. The other exercises which I used to get in the chapter, the way it has been divided in LawSikho course, especially in arbitration, is such that you get tremendous, uh, tremendous knowledge regarding each and every law which is governing arbitration in India. Let it be from Arbitration Act to be some rules of Singapore or some MSME acts, anything. You would get an idea how Companies Act is making a mandate of mediation, how mediation is done. It is different from other courses where I have done other courses as well on arbitration, but not from LawSikho, from other institutes. It was something like I was getting in a bird eye view about everything. It wasn't getting in an in-depth analysis like what are the shortcomings, how there's ambiguity, how people use it. The practical thing is somewhat the loss you could talk. Yeah. So that's all I have to say, and my utmost gratitude to this institute for making me capable of doing something and made my vision clear, like what I want to be, like a specific department in the author.